This is Jo, and I'm Lee, and we're roaming with the Rubes. If you're new to our channel, a big welcome. We hope you enjoy our content. Well, just over a year ago, we launched ourselves into the big world of YouTube and got swept up in the many facets of content creation that come with it.
I guess to sum up our little channel, it's all about roaming, camping and cooking. And we travel around in our little four-wheel drive, towing our trusty Hazel Hawk camper, and we've got our little doggo Buddy on board, our little Shih Tzu Cross.
Well, we're not full-time travellers, but instead we embrace a mix of short camping trips, longer road trips, cooking on the road.
I love that.
And delving into history to discover our own twist on stories to share. For those of you who are regular viewers and to those who've already subscribed,
thank you.
We hope you continue to enjoy our videos and we thank you for your ongoing support.
Our first video was released in July 2023 at Kooringa Falls Nature Reserve. We love that place. First attempt at putting together some drone footage as a video, and we eagerly watched each view and got hooked pretty quickly.
That we did. We then travelled to the Channel Country and we started vlogging some of our experiences there. We really loved the Thargomindah River walk, which was right beside our campsite. What a beautiful spot.
Pretty spot, hey?
It was.
Then we went to the Digtree Reserve and that was spectacular. One of my favourite pics. Check that beautiful sunrise out. What a place to wake up to in the morning.
Yeah, on Cooper Creek of all places.
Yeah, it was something really special. And the Digtree itself was pretty poignant, walking around just seeing what was left there, and it was pretty special.
So from there we travelled on to Burke's Grave, which was also on Cooper's Creek, just outside of Inaminka. Also another special spot, wasn't it, Jo?
What a lonely old place to pass. Beautiful stuff.
We enjoyed looking back on these early videos.
Geez, we needed some work.
We did.
Well, Lee, geez, we've done a lot of camping in our day. Hey?
That we have.
We've been camping since we were first married. We've taken our kids camping. Absolutely loved it. In 2016, we bit the bullet and bought our little Jayco Hawk, which we affectionately named Hazel, and did all the rookie mistakes. We certainly have a laugh a minute around a campfire talking about everything we did wrong, and we thought, hey, we should share our knowledge and perhaps save some hassle for some people. So we started to create some Jayco camper related videos.
We did, and we're truly delighted that they've been so well received by so many of our viewers. It's been really good, hasn't it?
It's been great.
Our first camper video was a review. We covered why we chose this style of camper, what we really liked, and the little things we didn't. We shared some of our adventures and came to the conclusion that we really do love our camper.
Sure do.
This video was really a bit of a chat, and we so enjoyed making it.
7 hacks and hints. I think this video contains the 7 hacks I wish I knew when I first got our camper, with the exception of the bag end mod, which came a bit later. None of these hacks are either expensive or complicated, but punch high above their effort.
The Inside Story episode gave viewers a sneak peek inside our camper. We talked about where we store different things, and we shared a few handy tips that make life inside a camper so much more enjoyable.
This is the original Sticky Beaks video, isn't it, Lee?
Absolutely.
Now, servicing. Servicing our camper each year it's part of our camping lifestyle, and over the years I've evolved a pretty comprehensive service plan. We thought it'd probably be a great idea to share this with other camper owners, so we started to prepare the video. It ended up being 2 videos, and they were really well received.
That's because you did a good job, Jo.
Oh, thank you, Lee.
Gosh, we even tackled the taboo subject of the porta potty.
Well, folks, the time has come to talk about some usage points here. But don't worry, we're not going to demonstrate anything here.
Gosh, no.
No, not at all, not at all.
And one last point. The job is not complete until the paperwork's done.
We had a lot of fun doing this video, and
we did.
shared some pretty unfortunate experiences. We hope we save you the trouble.
Absolutely. Well, camp cooking is something we both really love.
We certainly do, and there's nothing mediocre when we go out cooking when we're camping.
Oh no. Oh, cowboy style savoury mince cooked on the fire.
Oh, in a jaffle.
Square or round, Joe?
I reckon round, and even Buddy wants some. And you can't go past a brekkie hash on a cold morning. It'll fill you up and get you going for the whole day.
Hearty. Oh, crumpets cooked inside because it's a cold, wet morning. Comfort food.
You'll never buy them when you learn how to cook them yourself, and it's so easy. Talking about fires and cold weather, the things we do.
Oh, Spanish paella cooked on the fire. Yum, in the cast iron, even better.
And
Delish.
it's certainly worth a toast once you get a nice meal like that.
Cheers.
And of course you can't go past a little roasty. Who says camp cooking's got to be boring?
For sure.
So about 6 months ago, we were at a bit of a loss for what our next project was going to be. And we discovered that there was a lost or an abandoned branch line just to the northwest of Brisbane. So we decided to go have a look and see what was left and video the process.
And we're truly blown away by all the interest in this video, titled What's Left of the Abandoned Ferny Grove to Debra Rail Line, which currently has in excess of 34,000 views. More importantly, the comments and discussions on this video have encouraged us to follow up on this story.
So for all our rail enthusiast friends, something's coming further down the track. Pardon the pun.
We need to say a big thank you to all our viewers that have subscribed, liked and commented on our videos. We love interacting with you, so please leave us comments or engage with us via our Facebook page or website.
We've had an absolute blast over the last 12 months and are really looking forward to continuing this journey with you. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye.